Hello guys, welcome to another great video from the Exness mentor. So in this video I'm going to teach you about the price channel strategy that is very common on TradingView, but unfortunately most of the subscribers, most of the traders who are trading the forex market, they do not have any idea about that. So today I'm going to highlight the strategy, and for this strategy you can use 1 minute time frame, you can use 3 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30, 45. I mean, even you can use it up to 1 hour. However, if you are a high time frame trader, then you can also use it on the 4 hour chart as well and the daily chart. However, for the scalping purpose, if you just stay in between 1 minute, 3 minutes and 5 minutes, that will be completely super fine for you to trade the market. Okay, so I have highlighted you about the time frames. The indicator that we will be using in this strategy will be the two indicators, and you can use this strategy on the main pairs like low spread pairs like USD CHF, gold, Euro USD, USD JPY, USD CAD, Great Britain Pound JPY, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, and Great Britain Pound USD. Rest of the pairs that you can see in my list below, because this is also a very good note for you because most of the traders get stuck in these slow pairs. So these are the pairs that I normally don't trade and I already don't advise to my subscribers. These are good for the expert advisors, not for the manual trading. However, if you are a swing trader, then you can go for the high spread pairs as well. Okay, now let's come back to the strategy. If we go to the indicator section, first of all, we will be using the first strategy, that will be the price channel strategy, right? Okay, so this is the strategy. You can see that it is attached on my screen. It is giving you -2 and a +2, and this is the 5 minute chart on which I am going to review it. However, I have told you you can use any chart of your choice for the scalping and the swing trading purpose. Now we need to do some changing, because if we go to the settings of this indicator, if we right click on this red arrow, if we go to the settings, then you can see we have inputs, properties, styles, and the visibility, different things, but we have to change the input. So this is by default on the 20 period level. So what you need to do, you need to set up it on a 30 level, right? Okay, so now you will see that look, the signals get changed. So now you will be getting the most accuracy on this setup that I am telling you right now, right? Okay, the second thing, my favorite indicator, that's the EMA, moving average exponential. So if we attach on the screen, you can see a blue line is appeared on our screen. Now you also need to go in the settings of this indicator. Okay, so basically, so guys, when you click this indicator, you have to click right on the blue line, otherwise you will be not coming into the input, style, and the visibility section. Now you can see the length is 900. I'm going to change it to the 200. And into the styles, instead of the blue color, I will be using the yellow color here, and then I'm going to press OK, right? So now the setup is completely ready to trade. And now guys, basically the purpose of the 200 moving average is very simple. I will not take your much time. If you see that the market is staying above the moving average, and you have it's a kind of a bullish signal, right? For example, if I go to the gold, you can see all of the candles are below the moving average, so it means that you are into the downtrend. So why I focus on the 200 EMA in my trading lessons that I give on YouTube? So basically this is where the beginners get into the losses, because they do not have the idea about trading with the trends. So if you will be trading with the 200 EMA, you will be definitely trading with the trend. So now coming back to USD CHF, the idea is very simple to use the strategy. Above, you can see the market, the candles are above the 200 EMA, and you have seen the +2 sign from the price action strategy. It basically calculates the price action, and you can see that was a good upward momentum. You have to take this one. Okay, now you can see still the market is above the 200 moving average, but you have a sell signal. This is not you have to take, but if you see this candle, look at this candle. This candle was closed below the 200 moving average. That's your possible entry, because previously you have a sell sign and then you can take your entry, right? Let me show you more examples about this strategy. Look, on gold, what happens below the moving average 200, sell signal, very good, successful. Buy signal we will ignore, because below the moving average you have to ignore the buy signals, because you only have to pick those trades which are with the trend. Then again, after waiting for some time, you can see that you have received the sell signal, and you can see that the market is down. Okay, now let's go to Euro USD, and now you can see the Euro USD is trying to pump above the 200 EMA. That's a very good sign, but you need to wait properly, let it come up, because you already have a buy signal. But you don't take this one. If the market closes above the moving average, then you can go for the trade. Look at this trade below the moving average, sell signal, and it was a big long ride. So guys, you can expect that settings that not from here, you can expect that the settings that I have given you, they are very perfect, because they can fill your MT4 or MT5 with a very good profits. Okay, let me show you other, like USD JPY just happened 1 hour ago. You can see a sell signal, the candles were pushing below the moving average, a very good downward momentum, above the moving average, a very good upward momentum. So guys, if you follow my lessons, then no one is going to beat you into the forex market, because the strategies that I give on my YouTube channel FX Mentor, they are very simple. Look at this buy signal, you have waited, the candles close above the 200 EMA. Look, now this is the sound upward trend on USD CAD and Great Britain Pound JPY. Look, sell signal on the right time, a very good downward trend, even sell signal here, but you will take your entry here below the moving average, because you will wait for the market to change its trend. Look at AUD JPY, here you have received a sell signal, a proper confirmations come here, and then you can see it was down. Okay, now look, why I say do not take the anti-directional trades. Look, this is the buy signal, but it was flopped. The next signal was sell, and you can see the market is simply down. So guys, one more request, I am using the Exness broker. The link of this broker is given in the description of this video below. I am using this broker from 2015. It has very good payment options to withdraw and deposit your money, and it's an honest and regulated broker. You can check its reputation on Google, because this is a no scam broker. So you can support FX Mentor by joining this broker, and I will be sharing a lot of strategies with you, and that's a kind request in front of you, that if you join this broker, that will be very good for us and both of us, because we will be making profits together, and we will be working into the forex or the crypto market together. So guys, what are your thoughts about this strategy? Please must mention, because my good subscribers, they always interact with me through the comment section. So please must tell me into the comment section what you like about this strategy. Thank you very much. Please like the video and share the video. Thank you.